It's an impressive record, 54 years of racing up Kelowna's Knox Mountain at speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour and not a single fatality. And that's the way organizers want to keep it. Racing and crashes go hand in hand, but organizers admit last year things were getting out of control.
Last year we had 5 cars that were basically totally destroyed.
Crashes are called hard-offs, traditionally attributed to rookie mistakes, but it was the vets who are going hard off.
We had 7 rookie drivers last year, but out of those crashes, most of them were veterans who were just trying to really push it hard and better their time.
The biggest scare last year was this run. A white Porsche approaching turn 1 loses control and jumps the barrier, landing only meters away from spectators.
The changes that we're making to the course are we're going to add or change the way some of the tire walls were built. Because what's happening is the cars are hitting the tire walls and they're actually launching over the concrete barriers and then either going down an embankment or ending up in a field or hitting a rock wall.
There will be more emphasis on training volunteers. Retired paramedics and firefighters would be a bonus. Another bonus is after taking last year off, the king of the hill, John Hafner, approaching the age of 70, is coming back to make sure no one breaks his record of 1 minute and 36 seconds up Kelowna's Knox Mountain. The Kelowna Knox Mountain Hill Climb runs May 19th and 20th. Check out their website if you want to help out. Kelly Hayes, Castanet Media.